CarStory research indicates this vehicle as rare to see this model for sale in your area. Features also include leather seats, steering wheel controls, rear heated seats, ventilated seats. Come test drive the 2023 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.